Good evening to all. Welcome to my biology classes. Today I am going to teach the detailed mechanism of light reaction which is takes place inside the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Okay? So, as we already discussed that two pathways occur on the basis of electron flow, that is cyclic and non-cyclic, and in each of the pathway phosphorylation takes place, and the phosphorylation takes place in the presence of sunlight, so it is named as photophosphorylation. In both the pathway, the inorganic phosphate is binds with ADP, where ATP formation takes place. Okay, so let us discuss the one of the pathway, that is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In general case or in normal case, whenever we can see inside the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast, non-cyclic photophosphorylation occur, where both the photosystems are involved, and both the photosystems are work simultaneously. Then let us see what happened during the mechanism of light reaction. Whenever the photon of light is being absorbed by both of the photosystems, let us see the first photosystem 2. What happened whenever the photon of light is being absorbed by photosystem 2? The reaction center of photosystem 2 is get activated, is become excited, and it can releases its electron. And this electron is high energy electron. And this high energy electron is accepted by primary electron acceptor present in the thylakoid membrane is named as pheophytin. So, the first electron acceptor of photosystem 2 is pheophytin. Okay? And then this high energy electron is transported to or accepted by another electron carrier that is named as plastoquinone. Then from the plastoquinone, the electron is transported to or it is being accepted by cytochrome B6, and then it is accepted by cytochrome F complex. Cytochrome B6 is an electron carrier and cytochrome F is an electron carrier. Both are separate electron carrier and they are the present in a complex. Okay. Then the electron from the cytochrome B6F complex, it is accepted by plastocyanin. And now the electron, what happened to the electron of reaction center? Okay. At the same time, when the photon of light is absorbed by photosystem 1, the photosystem 1 get activated and its reaction center is comes in excitation state and it can releases its electron, and this electron is high energy electron, and this high energy electron is being accepted by primary electron acceptor of photosystem 1, that is FRS, pyridoxine reducing system. Then the electron of reaction center of photosystem 1, not this electron, okay, this electron is the electron come from the reaction center of photosystem 1, that is P700. The reaction center of photosystem 1 is P700 and the electron which is transported from FRS to FD, that is pyridoxine reducing system, to pyridoxine, each comes from the reaction center of photosystem 1. Okay, and now this electron is accepted by NADP, which is present in the stroma, by the help of an enzyme pyridoxine NADP reductase. Whenever the NADP accept electron from pyridoxine by the help of enzyme pyridoxine NADP reductase, it can accept proton from stroma and get reduced into NADPS2. The full form of NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Okay, and what happened when the reaction center releases the electron after the absorption of light? It has an hole, or it has the electron deficient, or it has the electron deficiency now. So this deficiency or this hole can be filled by or replaced by this electron, which is comes from the reaction center of photosystem 2. Okay, then what about the reaction center of photosystem 2? H, it also releases an electron. Now it is in a deficient state. Now this reaction center has also electron deficiency. So what happened? In the lumen of the thylakoid, the splitting of water takes place. Okay? ल्यूमेन ऑफ द थाइलाकोइड में क्या होता है? स्प्लिटिंग, वाटर स्प्लिट होती है, और वाटर स्प्लिट होने की वजह से जो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलती है वो उस इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो डेफिशिएंसी है उसको फिलअप करती है. ओके, एंड दिस phenomenon of splitting of water is named as photolysis of water, and it is takes place in the lumen of thylakoid. ओके, सो थाइलाकोइड में की ल्यूमेन में क्या होती है? वाटर स्प्लिटिंग होती है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ OEC, oxygen evolving complex, is associated with the photosystem too. Okay, and this splitting of water in the lumen of thylakoid is named as photolysis of water. What is the meaning of photolysis or photolysis? Lysis means breakdown, and photo means in the presence of sunlight. Now the water, see the water molecule is break down in the presence of sunlight. ये जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का टूटना सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में होती है, तो इसका नाम रखा गया फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर. एंड फ्रॉम द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 2 प्रोटॉन and 1 oxygen atom or half molecular oxygen is being released. And this electron, which comes from the splitting of water or comes from the photolysis of water, is filled the gap or filled the whole of the reaction center of photosystem 2. And this mechanism from photosystem 2 to up to the ferredoxin, this mechanism takes place in the thylakoid membrane. The splitting of water or the photolysis of water takes place in the lumen of thylakoid, and the NADP accept electron and reduced into NADPS2. This process takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. Okay, so the flow of electron, now see here, the electron which is expelled from the photosystem 2, reaction center of photosystem 2, it cannot be returned back to its original place. Rather, it can fill the deficiency of reaction center of photosystem 1, and the electron of reaction center of photosystem 1 is utilized to making NADPS2. So here we can see the flow of electron is occur in a non-cyclic pathway. Once it can release, then it can utilize in their respective purpose. They cannot be returned back to its original place. So this pathway or this movement of electron is known as non-cyclic pathway. And generally, through this mechanism, the light reaction occur in the thylakoid membrane. Okay, and whenever the high energy electron is transported from one electron carrier to another electron carrier, or they can be transported through the electron transport chain in the thylakoid membrane, it can releases or it can loses some of its energy, and this energy is used for the addition of inorganic phosphate to ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and make ATP. And this addition of inorganic phosphate to ADP is named as phosphorylation. And what see here, the phosphorylation takes place in the presence of sunlight, so it is named as photophosphorylation. Okay, and what about the electron carriers present in the thylakoid membrane? The electron carrier which are present in the thylakoid membrane, they are arranged in a sequential manner. They are arranged according to their increasing redox potential. Okay? So, this is all about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. During the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, three things are produced, that is ATP, NADPH2, and oxygen is also liberated. When one molecule of water is being splitted in the presence of sunlight, then half molecular oxygen is being produced. So, to produce a molecule of oxygen, 2 molecules of water is being splitted. Okay, and in 1 ton of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, 1 ATP molecule is being produced and 2 NADPH2 are being produced, and 4 tons of, for release of 1 molecular oxygen, 4 tons of non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place. In each ton, 1 electron is traveled. Okay? This is the mechanism of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And usually, by this non-cyclic pathway, the light reaction takes place. Both ATP and NADPH2 are produced, as well as in the lumen of thylakoid, oxygen is evaluated. Okay. So, can we discuss the Z scheme? Why it is named as Z scheme? whenever we can see the electron, only the flow of electron, whenever we can see the flow of electron, it is formed like Z. This is this is this is this is that is Z scheme. Off field flow of electron, high energy electron to low, high energy electron to low, low to high, स्टेबल स्टेट में था, एनर्जी एक्साइटेशन स्टेट में आया, एनर्जी का मतलब हाई एनर्जी में आया, उसका फ्लो हुआ है, हाई एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो हुआ। फिर हाई एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉन जब इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन से फ्लो करती है तब वो कैसे फ्लो करती है, डाउन हिल, मतलब रास्ते में क्या होता है कि इट कैन लूजेस इट्स एनर्जी। सो फिर उसके बाद कैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो होता है, डाउन हिल। फिर इसका जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसका एनर्जी लेवल हाई है तो उसको हाई अप हिल, और फिर धीरे धीरे एनर्जी लेवल लो होती जा रही है। तो एनर्जी लेवल, एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो एनर्जी लेवल है उसको देख के अगर हम देखें तो ये कैसे बनता है, अप हिल, हाई एनर्जी, लूजेस्ट एनर्जी, लो एनर्जी, देन इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन हाई एनर्जी, देन लो एनर्जी। ओके, सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक जेड, अप हिल, डाउन हिल, अप हिल। सो it is the non-cyclic photophosphorylation is also named as Z scheme. Okay, in the next video में डिस्कशन करूंगी किसके बारे में, साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन के बारे में। ठीक है।